Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Honda Civic EX. Comes equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, cruise control, ECON mode, and so much more. Check it out. And moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and storage in the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Here you're going to have these manually adjustable heated bucket seats. And left side, you're going to have your vents with your ECON mode. And left side of steering wheel will be your odometer clutch control, as well as your voice recognition. And the right side will be your cruise. And it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. So you just have your Bluetooth connectivity with HondaLink Connect, as well as just AM/FM radio with CD disc changer in there, and as well as HDMI if you choose to use that. Below, you're going to have the climate controls, heated seats with your USB, HDMI, as well as your 12 volt. And you got the classic handbrake with a shifter, right signal. You got the camera, and center console storage with an extra USB port there. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Speakers up top, and huge access reading lamps, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna need 16-inch wheels on General Ultimax tires with the paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handles. You got the sun guards here, tinted rear glass. To the back. It's just your classic trunk space, finding extra floor mats, and as well as extra rear wheel storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power windows. Quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger side. You get the cup holder and armrest right in the center. Speakers in the back with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2015 Honda Civic EX. Equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, as well as heated bucket seats, Bluetooth connectivity, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.